Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate mental health check-ins with Talkspace, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Talkspace website. Log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, sign up first by following the prompts on the homepage. Once logged in, explore the dashboard to locate the mental health check-in feature. This feature is typically found in the main menu or under the resources section. Click on the mental health check-in option to open the tool. You will be presented with a series of questions aimed at assessing your current state of mind. Take your time to answer these questions honestly for the most accurate feedback. After completing the questions, submit your responses to generate your results. Once your responses are analyzed, you will receive feedback based on your answers. Review the feedback carefully to understand your mental health status. Next, set a regular schedule for your automated check-ins. You can do this within the settings of the check-in feature. Choose the frequency that works best for you, whether daily, weekly, or monthly. Confirm your schedule and ensure any notifications are turned on for reminders. Now, take a moment to check your communication preferences. Make sure your notifications are set to your preferred method, such as email or in-app alerts. Finally, keep track of your mental health journey by revisiting the check-in feature regularly. This will help you identify patterns and trends in your mental health over time. By automating your mental health check-ins with Talkspace, you're actively taking steps to prioritize your well-being. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.